2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a code p0135. Sensor 1, bank 1. That means this car, that's the 4.0 engine. So this car have two sensors up screen. So sensor bank 1, sensor 1, and sensor bank 1, sensor 2. So to figure out how you remove it, you have to remove this airbox. The air filter, you have to remove this one. And so right there, that's one sensor, and right there is the other sensor, two sensors. Sensor 1, band 1, is the first on the front, on the top, up screen is that one. So to remove it, you have to disconnect it. Here you gotta push this clip. Push the clip. Okay. Now you have to go right there. Okay, that's easy. It's loose already. That's off. Put the new one back on. Put the same tool back. A little slow, don't be too crazy, just enough, like 20 pounds. Coming back over here. clip. Make sure that one go all the way in. That one got to go in there. So it looks as broken. Yes, it is. So no go stay there. It's supposed to stay like that. Okay. So that's it. I hope this video helps somebody else. P0151. Let me make sure. No, I'm sorry. P0135. Auto sensor. Sensor 1, band 1. If it's band 2, can be the number 1 on this side, gotta be number 1, number 2 on the other side. But this is sensor 1. I hope this video helps somebody else. If you like it, just put your thumb up. If not, thank you. Anyway, appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.